So you want to start your TikTok ads journey, and the good news, TikTok is actually sponsoring you on the way because they will give away free ad credits. This goes all the way up to 6,000 USD, which they are giving away currently. And in order to start, let's go down in the video description of this video. Here you will find my partner link, and when you click on it, you will land on this page, and here you can see the bonus. So let's click on it, and here we can see it starts as low as 200 USD. When you spend that on TikTok, they will top your ad credits with another 200 USD. And then it will go on in steps. For example, 500 USD, you will get 500 USD, 1000 USD, you will get 1000 USD. And this goes all the way up to, if you spend 10,000 USD, they will add 6,000 USD to your ad credits. And this is quite a nice offer, which they are giving away via the partners. So for example, via me, with the link down in the video description, and it will help you to get started because, as we know, we all make mistakes at the beginning, and TikTok is kind of helping us with that because they will sponsor our ads. And of course, there are some terms and conditions, and really important, you can't sign up for the TikTok Ads Manager via Shopify. So some of you might created a Shopify store and then install the TikTok app on Shopify, and it will automatically create a TikTok account for you, a TikTok ads account for you. And in this case, it will not work because this is excluded. So if you have done that, don't worry, just sign out from your TikTok ads manager, then click on the link here down here in the video description, and it will take you to this page where you can see the coupon code or the offer here. Then click on it and read through the terms and conditions. And it's really important that you go this route because this is the only way you will get this offer. And the coupon, it will only be active for the first 30 days. And of course, this can be quite challenging to spend 10,000 USD from the get-go. I don't know about your ad budget, but mine is a little bit smaller, but therefore TikTok starts as low as 200 USD. So I think that's a good offer. They really took care of every kind of size of company. And yeah, just read through the terms and conditions, but these are the most important parts. So don't do it via Shopify, and do it in the first 30 days. And yeah, just click on the link, and then you can scroll down, and down here you can sign up with your email address and create a password. And in the next step, they will send you a 2-factor code. You just type it in, and on the next page, then you can type in your business information and your URL and your phone number and so on. And when you accept the terms and condition, then you can sign up for your TikTok ads account. And once you have done that, you will land on this page here, and here you can start creating your campaigns. And up here, you will see the TikTok ad bonus. For example, for me, I started to sign up in summer season, and then the ad bonus was a little less. It was 1000 USD, translating in 850 euros. And you can see the steps are the same. So 200 USD to 500 USD, and it's in euro because I'm based in Germany. It's 175 euros. So just to make sure, once you sign up, you will see the credits here. And if you don't see it here, you can go under tools, finance, and then promotions, and there you will see your coupon code. And now you can start setting up your campaign. And I hope this coupon really helps you to get started, because then you can do a little bit more mistakes when TikTok is kind of paying for it. And if you want to get started with less and less mistakes, I can recommend you my new course. It's free. It's a TikTok ads course. It's like 1.5 to 2 hours long. And I will also link you this course down in the video description. You can just sign up via your email and then watch it, and I will show you all the way through on how to set up your campaigns, how to improve your campaigns, and I will also show you how I run my own campaigns at the end. But for now, let's get started. Just click on the link down in the video description. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and if you're down there, also feel free to leave a like. Thank you a lot for listening, and we see us in the next video.